In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit a Google Meet recording online. We'll walk through a simple browser-based workflow so you can clean up your meeting without installing extra software. Before we start, make sure your Google Meet recording is saved on your computer and easy to find. This will make the upload step faster. Open your browser and head to the Google Meet landing page. This keeps us in the Google ecosystem and ensures you're working in a session where you already have your recording handy. Next, open a new tab. Keeping Meet in one tab and your editor in another makes it easy to switch back if you need to double-check details from your meeting. In the new tab, search for Type Studio. From the results, open the listing for Type Studio. On the Tools page you land on, click the option that says Visit Type Studio. You'll be redirected to Streamlabs Podcast Editor, which now powers Type Studio's online editing features. That's normal, and it's the tool we'll use to edit directly in the browser. Click Get Started. If you're prompted to create an account or sign in, follow the on-screen prompts. This helps the editor save your projects in the cloud. Once you're in, choose New Project. Think of a project as the workspace that will hold your video, transcript, and all your edits. When the app asks you to proceed, click Confirm to create the project. You'll now see an upload area. Click the button or the area that says or click to browse. This opens your file picker. Select the Google Meet recording you want to edit. MP4 and WebM are common formats for Meet recordings, and both should work well. If your file is large, give it a moment to upload. Having a stable internet connection will speed this up. Once it finishes uploading, the tool will prepare your file for editing. When the video appears in the editor, enable subtitles. Turning on subtitles generates a transcript alongside your video. This is the key to fast, precise edits because it lets you navigate by text, find moments quickly, and keep your audio and captions in sync. If the tool offers language or accuracy options, pick the one that matches your meeting's language for the best results. After subtitles are on, the transcript will populate automatically. That's it. You've opened the editor, created a project, uploaded your Google Meet recording, and enabled subtitles so you're ready to refine your content. From here, you can explore the on-screen editing tools to polish your recording with confidence, all online.